This week on AtlantiCast, an internationally recognized orthopedic oncologist takes a leadership role at Atlantic Health System. AHS medical centers get top billing in New Jersey. See the newest weapon in the fight against HPV-related cancers, and much more. Hello, I'm Luke Margolis. Welcome back to AtlantiCast. Atlantic Health System is proud to announce Dr. James Wittig has joined AHS as Medical Director of Orthopedic Oncology and as Chairman of the Orthopedics Department at Morristown Medical Center. Dr. Wittig is one of only 100 orthopedic oncologists in the nation and is known internationally for his work treating children and adults with bone and soft tissue cancers. He's the author of the only textbook that details surgical procedures for orthopedic oncology. To learn more about Dr. Wittig, go to atlantichealth.org. Sidney Kimmel Medical College at Thomas Jefferson University joined Atlantic Health System in naming Dr. James Alexander, a vascular surgeon and medical educator, as the Associate Dean for its Regional Medical School campus, which is set to open in July at Morristown Medical Center and Overlook Medical Center. Dr. Alexander was formerly the Vice Chairman for Education in the Department of Surgery at Cooper Medical School. Together, Dr. Alexander, Atlantic Health System, and Sidney Kimmel Medical College will use a new curriculum that gets students out of the classroom and into a hospital setting to reinforce patient-centered treatment. Congratulations to Atlantic Health System's Senior Vice President and Chief Medical and Academic Officer, Dr. Jan Schwartzmiller, on being named one of Becker's Hospital Review's 100 Hospital and Health System CMOs to Know in 2018. Dr. Schwartzmiller joins this national list of proven leaders recognized for clinical and team-building expertise. This month, Atlantic Health System unveiled the latest weapon in the fight against HPV-associated cancers of the head and neck. The Atlantic HPV Center at the Leonard B. Kahn Head and Neck Cancer Institute at Morristown Medical Center is now open to patients. The Atlantic HPV Center is the region's only center dedicated to the diagnosis of, treatment for, and research into these types of cancers. You can learn more about the center at atlanticast.org. Inside Jersey Magazine and healthcare research company Castle Connolly have named all of Atlantic Health System's medical centers top hospitals in New Jersey. Topping the list of large hospitals, Morristown Medical Center ranked number 1 overall. Morristown is also ranked first in every clinical area measured. Chilton Medical Center was the top-ranked hospital for those with less than 350 beds for the 3rd year in a row. Each year, Inside Jersey joins with Castle Connolly Medical Limited, a healthcare research and information company, to identify New Jersey's top medical centers through a survey asking licensed physicians across the state to name the top hospitals. Find a link to the rankings at our website. The American College of Cardiology's annual scientific session and expo had an Atlantic Health System feel to it. Dr. Philippe Genereux, co-director of the Structural Heart Program at Morristown Medical Center's Gagnon Cardiovascular Institute, delivered remarks on the future of treating patients with heart disease. Also at the conference, Dr. Linda Gillum, the chair of cardiovascular medicine at Morristown Medical Center and Atlantic Health System, received the 2018 Gifted Educator Award. Overlook Medical Center has partnered with a program called Project Search to help some special people find new opportunities in life. Project Search helps students with special needs ages 18 to 21 find on-the-job training. The partnership was recently the subject of a local broadcast news report on Fox 5 New York, and you can find a link to the story at atlanticast.org. There's still time for the kids you know to help us build healthier communities and get some special credit too. The first annual AtlantiCast Collab Challenge is currently open. We're inviting kids from across New Jersey to show us what they're doing at school, at home, or in their communities to help others live healthier lives. Have them get a couple of friends together, break out their smartphones, and send us a short collab video about what they're up to. Send us their favorite health hack and we'll pick the best ones and show some highlights here on AtlantiCast. For more details, visit atlanticast.org or email us at atlanticast@atlantichealth.org. All right, folks, as we head to a quick break, it was a St. Patrick's Day to remember as team members at Atlantic Health System put on their greenest clothes and took part in parades throughout the communities we serve. Thanks to everyone who came out to show their support and take part in all the fun. Morristown, Newton, and Hackettstown's parades were just a few of the local celebrations that Atlantic Health System team members and their families walked in. Looks like it was a great time. We'll be right back. With the AtlantiCast Medical Minute, I'm Luke Margolis. According to the American Cancer Society, melanoma is the deadliest form of skin cancer. And joining us now is the Medical Director for Atlantic Health System Cancer Care, Dr. Eric Whitman. Doctor, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks, Luke.
You're involved in a very interesting study that's delivered some exciting results for patients dealing with melanoma. Tell us a little bit about them.
Well, this study is exciting because it's showing us that we can help the immune system recognize and kill the cancer. In some ways, the fact that anybody gets cancer is because our immune system has failed. And these new drugs, like the study you're talking about, help the immune system overcome that failure.
And how does being a part of Atlantic Health System empower you to do that kind of work?
One of the great things about working at Atlantic Health System as a physician is that we're all about improving health care and cancer care. Not just providing care, but making it better.
Doctor, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks, Luke.
All right, folks, to learn more about Atlantic Health System Cancer Care or Atlantic Health System, go to AtlantiCast.org.